How's it going, guys? It's me, Simon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your heart rate sensor for your Fitbit Versa. If you look at my Fitbit at the moment, the heart rate is totally flatlined, and if you look on the back, you touch it, the sensor is not flashing at all. So to fix this, we have to hold this left button here and the bottom right button, the second one, and this will reset it if we just hold on. Wait for the Fitbit logo to show up. There we go. Let go and let it restart. So after the reset, we put a finger there just to activate the sensor. You can see that the sensor is activated again. So we can put it back on our arm. And it's picking up my heartbeat again. 81 beats per minute at the moment. So guys, I hope this video has helped you fix your Fitbit heart rate sensor and that it's all working again. So leave me a like if you enjoyed this video and consider becoming a subscriber for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
With you, it's all I really need. When the light's shining through